Hey girls, it's Lauren here with another episode of the Simply Curly channel. Want to know how I ended the week with this hairstyle? Well, one of my subbies requested a week with Lauren's hair, so the wait is over. Keep watching for a week in my hair. Okay girls, first don't forget to subscribe for more videos from the Simply Curly channel. So it is Monday night and I am doing a twist out. I had a wash and go second day hair, so that's what I'm working on. And I'm basically using leave-in conditioner, some water, and some gel. So I will be twisting my hair for the next morning. If you do want to know how I specifically do my twist outs on this length of hair, even though it's on drier hair, you can check out my twist out on a TWA video. I'll put the link above. Just in case you guys wanted to know this technique, right now at this moment I'm not being perfect with anything. It already has a lot of product, or my hair has a lot of product from my wash and go. So I'm just trying to get some definition in my curls so my hair can be more stretched and things like that during the week in preparation for the weekend. I did also want to say, you guys, this is literally how I do my hair at night. I don't need the mirror. I'm literally watching a TV show on my laptop. I obviously look tired. I am tired after work usually, but I'm literally just twisting my hair in my bed as I watch a TV show. I think I'm watching Snowfall right now. It's a pretty good show. If you guys have not watched that, you guys should if you like gang drama type of shows. But I'll let you enjoy the rest of my sped up twist out and we'll go to the next day. I am walking to lunch, but I wanted to show you guys my hair. That's how it's looking. Yeah, so this is day 2 of a twist out. I did refresh my wash and go Monday. That footage is deleted on accident. And then I twisted my hair Monday night. And then I twisted my hair again Tuesday night. So this is the second day. I can tell my hair is getting longer, which I'm excited about. So see you on the next day. Alright, y'all, I forgot my camera stick, but this is my hair. Another walk to lunch, but it's the same hair. Just day 4, Thursday, so this is day 3 hair. And this weekend I am going to Morgan State University's homecoming. So I think I'm gonna do a slick back. We'll see. Talk to you later. Bye. Y'all, so the lighting is really bright. You know, I'm in Arizona, but I wanted to give you technically my last style of the week, but I've been traveling, so I did not get the chance to record. I mean, if you guys follow me on IG, then you will see a lot of my story that I had. And I posted some pictures on my actual IG page. So if you want to check out my styles, my clothing styles, and my hairstyle, you can check that out. But this is like a continuation of that. I definitely need to wash my hair. I was just so tired when I got back. Y'all, I was like not going to do my hair whatsoever. I was like, I can do this slick back another day. So I did that, and tonight I will be washing my hair, but I hope you all enjoyed this segment of just a week with Lauren's hair. Obviously, this past week I was pretty basic, but that's all good. I try to keep it simple and do the more exciting things for my for my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this again. And don't forget to like this video if you loved it. It helps me know what you guys and what content you guys like. Comment below, what are your go-to styles in the week? I'd love to hear it. Maybe I'll switch up my routines too. The slick back was a new one for me with my short hair. But other than that, don't forget to subscribe to the Simply Curly channel. And peace and love.